Good day everyone, I'm Jeremy Tubig and today I'll be discussing the role of corporate communication in organization. Corporate communication is the way company shares information both inside the organization and with the outside world. It is more than just talking, it's about delivering the right message at the right time to the right people. Without effective corporate communication, misunderstanding happen, trust is lost, and company's image can be damaged. For example, a company that fails to clarify its policies may cause employees to be confused, or customers may lose confidence if announcements are inconsistent. This is why corporate communication is considered one of the foundations of successful organizations. First, let us talk about internal communication. This is exchange information within the organization between leaders, managers, and employees. Example, include announcements, meeting schedules, company policies, and project updates. Internal communication ensures that everyone is aligned with the company's goals and tasks. When it is done well, employees understand their responsibilities, teamwork improves, and productivity increases. But when it is weak, confusions happen. Imagine a meeting being moved to an earlier time, but nobody informs the team. Some arrive late, work is delayed, and frustration builds up. This shows that clear internal communication is essential for smooth daily operation. Next, we have external communication. This is how company shares information with people outside the organization, such as the customers, suppliers, media, investors, and general public. External communication is important. It shapes the company public image. It includes advertisements, press releases, customer service message, and social media updates. If a company posts incorrect information, such as the wrong store hours, customers may feel misled and lost trust. But if external communication is clear and consistent, it builds customers' confidence and strengthens the brand. Another important area is crisis communication. This is refer how to companies respond to unexpected problems, emergencies, or controversies. In a crisis, staying silent can make things worse. People might spread rumors, and the company reputation can be badly damaged. For example, if a product has safety issue, the company must respond quickly by apologizing, explaining the problem, and sharing how it will be fixed. This is why many companies prepare crisis communication plans ahead of time, so they know exactly how to act in emergencies. Effective crisis communication helps maintain public trust even in difficult times. It shows that the company is responsible and cares about its stakeholders. To sum it up, corporate communication is the backbone of an organization's relationship, both inside and outside. It keeps employees informed, connects the company to the public, and protects image during challenges. Without it, the organization can face confusion, mistrust, and negative publicity. But with strong corporate communication, companies can work efficiently, build strong relationships, and succeed in a company competitive world. Thank you for listening. Remember, communication is not just about talking. It's about connecting, understanding, and creating trust. That is the true role of corporate communications.